My Lord Bishop, you said that there's demon. The demon I'm talking about is not only the demon that people say worry them in the night you don't see. The demons of human beings, they are all around. That's why sometimes when I see the governor-elect, I pity him. I pray God should give him the kind of strength and the kind of courage I have to withstand these demons and tell them to go to hell. If you don't tell demons to go to hell, you will fail. I look into the eyes. I will tell them, I will not do this. They can be angry and go. I did it for the interest of the state. The day he's sworn in, that's where you see demons. Now, they are pretending to be good. But the day you are sworn in, you will see real demons, but of human beings. My Lord Bishop, you have to hold him, his family, the deputy governor, and in prayers. Because to be governor of Rivers State, it's not easy. It's not easy. There are a lot of interest, not interest as the state alone, interest outside. So it will be a big challenge, but you will surmount it when you are firm, when you say this is what your goal should be, and when you are committed to the development of your state, you will surmount it. There's no challenges that will not come, but as a Christian, you hand everything to God, you will surmount it. Yes, ups and downs, but what is important at the end of the day, did you succeed? Yes, you succeeded. I know prayers for you, prayer for men of God, you will succeed. And for those of them who are going to National Assembly, you know, one very fast area to abandon your people is when you are sent to Abuja. That's the fastest way to abandon your people, when you go to Abuja. Some of you will refuse to come back home. Some of you will stay in Abuja and begin to form factions to fight the governor-elect. Some of you will begin to bring out excuses that was never in existence any day. Remember, people of the state that voted for you. One good thing people should know, like our Lord Bishop said, when once you have eaten this fruit, you will still hungry, you will come back. Nobody stays in Abuja to form alliance against his governor that succeeds. Nobody. At least you use your eye to see those of them who to Abuja to abandon the state interest. What has happened to them now? Be a man. Be known for something. Be known for your firmness. Be known for that you are decisive. Not one leg here, one leg here. No. No way. You must take decision in life. There's nothing that's no risk in life. To marry is a risk. Not to marry is a risk. To eat is a risk. Not to eat is a risk. But you must eat, which means you are taking a risk. You marry, it's a risk. Sometimes people marry a devil. I begin to say, why did I marry? If I know I wouldn't have married, it's a risk. If you didn't marry too, it's a risk. Your life will be some kind. So as far as a human being, you must take a risk.